This tutorial will cover PatentPia Starter Kit that will give you a basic tour of our services along with best practices and in-depth how-to instructions. PatentPia is a patent data technology company that specializes in patent information solutions. Our database enables businesses to optimize their IP resource allocation by identifying key information and insights that are essential to companies as they develop their business growth strategies. We are essentially a data provider, and we've created an Excel-based data analysis program called Prometheus that enables users to perform over 450 types of easily customizable analyses and visualizations with just one click. Prometheus has 7 main analysis themes that cover a wide range of information that may be applied to enhance efficiencies and manage risks within the business. These categories include 136 different analyses related to patent portfolio management, 59 different analyses related to IP risk management, 103 different analyses related to litigation strategies, and many more related to patent transactions, monetization of patents, key researchers, and recommendations for companies preparing for the future. Prometheus is very easy to use as it only takes 4 steps to generate results. Just open Prometheus, insert the relevant data sheet, select an analysis or visualization menu item, then click Go to see results. This is a screenshot of the datasheet screen. The first row consists of the column labels with each of the parameters used in the analyses. Users may purchase the desired datasheets from www.patentpia.com. These next 2 slides are screenshots of the analysis menu user interface and the visualization menu user interface, where you may select the type of analysis you would like to perform and click Go. You can do several different analyses at one time as well. PatentPia's database is the first and only one of its kind in the world, as it has been organized into a powerful format allowing users to identify the relationships and connections between any and all patents globally. This allows users to develop litigation strategies, identify opportunities for patent transactions, and see technology convergence trends. We also provide proprietary patent evaluation scores to rank and see who is developing the most valuable patents and which patents are most likely to be litigated within the next 2 to 3 years, while also recognizing and analyzing NPEs and their patent transaction activities. Our database allows users to not only identify IP business trends, monetization opportunities, and risk management solutions, but it also provides recommendations for companies preparing for the future by identifying business expansion and growth opportunities through M&A, licensing, joint ventures, product development, and HR management and recruitment strategies. So without further delay, we're going to go through the steps to get you started. Step 1. Download the updated version of Prometheus by copying this link located at the top of the slide into your browser. Click on Prometheus toward the middle of the screen and go to the General Guide, and click on Download the updated version of Prometheus. It will take you to the link to download the most current version of the program. Step 2. Open Prometheus and click on the Visualization UI or Analysis UI sheet. Select the analysis type and check the view code, which identifies the analysis from the menu, and verify the data type indicated by the data code required for the analysis. Step 3. Insert the data into Prometheus by selecting the appropriate data sheet, such as the hashtag #US sheet that corresponds with the analysis type, and delete the existing data. Then copy and paste the data to be analyzed into the selected data sheet, and you are ready to go. Now that you are all set to start performing some analyses, we are going to go ahead and show you some of our visualization and analysis capabilities on Prometheus. One of the key tools in Prometheus is its ability to perform additional analyses of the analysis results. This is because you will be able to input other options directly into the results from the program and immediately generate new results. I'll go ahead and try showing you how you can do this through this example. So step 1 is to select an analysis option from the menu by checking the box next to the desired analysis menu items. In this case, we will perform a patent transaction analysis to determine the patent transaction trends in terms of buyers and sellers. Please note that the view code corresponding to this analysis is A-TT111, and the data code for the type of data used in this analysis is #PE_US, which is our basic patent data with evaluation scores. So after clicking the checkbox next to this item, click Go. Once the data loading is complete, click on the new worksheet that has been generated to see results. Users may customize the initial analysis results according to the user's analysis goals by adjusting the filters or adding additional parameters to the pivot table to the right. Users may adjust the various filters to 1. Eliminate transactions between the same company such as Microsoft and Microsoft Technology Licensing. 2. Show only patents purchased by NPEs. 3. Identify patents in technology fields related to a specific current assignee. 4. Specify date, year, range. 5. View top 10 results only, and many more. For example, you can add an additional parameter to the filters section of the pivot table to the right. P153 is a parameter that allows you to filter transactions between affiliated companies. By selecting blank for this filter, you can eliminate this overlap. By adding the P84 parameter to the filter section of the pivot table, you will be able to filter the analysis results to see only patents that have been purchased by NPEs. You can also identify patents in technology fields related to a specific current assignee by specifying and selecting the current assignee from the row labels filter and adding the following parameters to the row section of the pivot table to the right. First, add the highest hierarchical level, P55, which is the patent classification subclass. Then add P57, which is the patent classification main group, and then add P59, which is the patent classification 1 subgroup. And finally, add the P51 analysis field last. Users will then be able to see the technical fields of transacted patents related to the specified current assignee. You can also adjust the date range of the analysis results by selecting the label filters from the column labels filter menu and selecting the between option on the drop-down menu, and then input the desired date range, which could be, for instance, 2010 to 2016. You can also view the top 10 companies that have purchased the most patents within the virtual reality technology field by clicking on the filter next to the row labels and then selecting Value Filter from the drop-down menu and then selecting a top 10. You can clear the filters later to see all of the results again by clicking Clear Filter as well. Users may also want to see the actual patents that back up the analysis results. For instance, if you want to see the detailed information about the 6 patents that were purchased by Oculus VR from Pebbles, just click on the number 6 in the table. A new worksheet will then be generated listing the patents. The list will include a URL which you can click on that will take you to PatentPia's website to see more comprehensive information about the patent and the current right holder. The full text image of the actual patent is also available from our website. The following is a list of most commonly used parameters that are useful when used as filters, row values, and column values. For example, if you want to filter the results to see NPE-owned patents, insert P84 current assignees -NPE count _ input to see NPE-owned patents only in the analysis results by adding this analysis field into the filter section of the pivot table. Or if you want to see recently litigated patents only, insert the P14 most recent litigated year _ input analysis field into the column section of the pivot table. Please download this guide from our website so that you have it as a reference as you try using Prometheus. Next, we will show you how to use the visualization capabilities in Prometheus. It's generally the same as the analysis option in that you select the checkbox for the desired visualization analysis and click Go. However, the results will include a visual result such as a chart or a graph. You can customize the initial analysis results by adding additional options to the pivot table and then click Refresh to have the changes automatically reflected in the visualization results. Click on the Visualization UI worksheet and click on the box next to the desired visualization option. In this case, we will be selecting a patent portfolio analysis to determine the competitiveness of the input VR patents by analyzing the patent count versus forward citations by examiners within the past 5 years for each current assignee. All visualization results are based on the corresponding analysis results. Analysis results are located to the far left of the visualization results. You can add fields to the filter section of the pivot table, such as the assignment transfer count, and adjust the filters and select the desired criteria to perform customized analyses. Click Refresh to incorporate the changes into the visualization results. PatentPia's Prometheus offers 7 different types of visualization options, which include 2x2 matrix charts, radar charts, waterfall and line graphs, bar charts, and sunburst charts. Now that you've seen a few of the capabilities of PatentPia's products and covered the basic introductory steps for Prometheus, you can now get started exploring the wide range of analysis and visualization capabilities. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to contact us at mskang@patentpia.com or jennifer@patentpia.com, or visit our website at www.patentpia.com. We are more than happy to address any and all questions you may have. Thank you.